All right, today we're going to be looking at the snake staff tourniquet. Just going to make a video on it, what it is, how it works, obviously because it's a product I have in the store. So let's start off with the disclaimer. Number one, yes, I sell the snake staff tourniquet. I do make a profit when I sell them. However, I sell other tourniquets, so I don't make any more profit by trying to push you to this tourniquet. There's no financial motivation for me to try to get you to buy this tourniquet over, say, like the Cat Gen 7. What I do like is when you buy it from me. So when I make educational videos and school you on the product, should you like the product, it'd be pretty cool if you went to onlytacticalfans.shopify.com and bought it from there. Because like I said, I do make a product from the sales, but not this particular sales. Also, the manufacturer did not pay me any money to make this video. This is just me making product that I offer in the store. So, doesn't really matter to me if you buy this tourniquet or a different tourniquet. I make the same amount either way. What I do want, y'all, is you to buy something that you're actually going to carry that could actually save your life. What I'd love to do is get an email or a comment someday like, hey, Mr. CRS, I bought that tourniquet and thank you. Like, I am glad I had it on me because it saved a life. That's my ultimate goal there. So, I want to get you better prepared, better educated on proper gear. This way, if it's something you want or it's something you need, you understand it and how it works. All right, so this is, well, I don't like the word hook, but the AI put it in there. I have the AI help me to slide, so that's what we're going with. This is the hook. Most people don't understand why they should have this tourniquet. Number one, it's smaller and lighter than the Cat Gen 7 tourniquet. It's 65% smaller. It's an EDC tourniquet. This is not a replacement for the Cat Gen 7. This just goes in a different area. Look at how small this is. Here's an even smaller version because this is still with the shrink wrap on it. This is about the size of a Glock 19 magazine. So let's pretend you have your pistol. You can put this in the mag pouch. It easily fits in your pocket. I'm wearing shorts right now. Not a problem. Fits right in there. Totally comfortable. Not stabbing you or anything like that. Like I said, slips into your product. The best tourniquet in the world, the best tourniquet ever made, the one you absolutely want to have is the one that you have on you when you need it. The Cat Gen 7 is huge. Look at the size difference in these. This is smaller than your iPhone. It's about double the width. Look at how easy that is to carry. I'd call it maybe 30% the size of your iPhone. Because it's not quite a quarter. If it was a quarter, it'd be like right there. So yeah, we'll call it like 35%, but it is about double the width. Easy to carry. You carry your iPhone all day? Well, yeah, you can carry something even smaller. Size and specs. Now, for most of us, it doesn't really matter. What we care about is does it work? But we're going to go over the size and specs anyway. The ones I sell are 1 inch wide. There is a second one that's 1.5 inches wide. That is because there is some sort of medical qualification. I'm not sure if it's for the military or what, but the band has to be 1/2 inch wide. Now the Cat Gen 7 is not 1.5 inches wide. The band in between it is only about a 1 inch, but they had this fluff on the side. Here, I got my fingers marked. This is the actual band inside, and then they just got this fluff on the outside that doesn't actually tighten anything. So this is still only 1 inch wide, but whatever reason, the regulation, whatever medical field it is, in order for it to qualify to be able to be used in there, it has to be 1.5 inches wide. So they do have a model for that. But we are buying this because it's concealed carry. Because this doesn't replace the Cat Gen 7, this supplements the Cat Gen 7, which we'll talk about more later. Length, you're looking at 37.5 inches. Again, the width, it changes a little bit, so it will change on the weight. The heaviest one is 2 ounces. Yeah. Rolls down to about 1 inch. So when you have it all packed up nicely, right about 1 inch. I didn't have the tape measure out here, I'd measure it, but yeah, I'd say that's pretty close to 1 inch. Mil-spec nylon, it's sweat and moisture resistant. Alright, so this isn't just for big adults. That's where this really comes into play. Because this can also work on children and pets, where the Cat Gen 7 can't. It can't cinch down far enough. The best way to test this is, yeah, I can put this on here and see that it works, but where we need to test this is on my wrist, because that's where the Cat Gen 7 is going to start to fall apart. I haven't even tightened the windlass yet, and look how tight it is. Very easy to go. Another great thing that's about this is this windlass. It has a little hook point right here. I'll roll in pictures. So when you're cranking this, as long as you're going counterclockwise, you can help use that to get another grip. Where the Cat Gen 7, it likes to slip off. It's already hurting. Like, I'm definitely cutting off the circulation. I only got one rotation, and then it just locks in there. Also, a nice thing about this is, this works great because this can clip right on your keychain. So once you got it all packed away, bam, you have a tourniquet keychain. How awesome is that? And it works. This isn't some gimmick, some Amazon pile of crap, some Chinese knockoff or anything like that. This is premium, American-made, life-saving equipment. Again, so you're not fully limited to adults. Yeah, I'm a beast. I'm built like a brick shithouse, but my wrists are still pretty small. So, and it was able to cinch down on that without a problem. I don't have an actual measurement for it, but I could have probably went to half the size. So put it on like your dog's leg, say something happens and it loses the leg and you need to tourniquet that off, or your kid, yeah, your Cat Gen 7 just ain't going to do that. Like I said, this isn't a replacement for the Cat Gen 7. It's there to supplement the Cat Gen 7. Perfect for hiking, pet owners. If you have children and you're into medical, you pretty much need the snake staff tourniquet. All right, so what are some of the features of it? Look, the biggest feature is it works. And it works good. It doesn't fail. I haven't heard any, I've done a lot of research. I didn't just pick this product out of the blue. I did my homework first, and I landed on this because I'm like, all right, I want my mil-spec one because, you know what, everyone wants mil-spec. But I also want something that's EDC because as soon as I got the Cat Gen 7, then I'm like, man, this just isn't practical. And my buddy Dark is like, actually, like, have you checked out the snake staff yet? Like, that's more of an EDC tourniquet where this is more of a combat tourniquet. It's like the difference between this is your AR-15, this is your CCW. That big of a difference. I checked it out and I did a whole bunch of watching reviews on it and what medical professionals say about it, and they hold this in pretty high esteem. Also, as a disclaimer, I'm not a medical professional, so take that for what you will. All right, so it's the power curve. Inside of this, I can't really show you without taking it apart. Anyways, this little thing right here has a curve. It's supposed to spread the weight out so it doesn't hurt you as bad, but can still stop the flow. Yeah, you know what? You're bleeding out. Is the pain really that big of a deal? No, but I'd rather just keep, especially my child, in as least amount of pain as possible. So that's pretty cool. The tri-grip windlass, it's a triangle shape, so no matter which direction you're pulling on it, you have a good grip. I have this crappy one right here. How this is curved, it's easy for your fingers to slip off of. Again, this doesn't even really have a hook point unless you were to get it under when you're tightening it. This does. As long as you're turning it this way, it hooks perfectly under there so you can regrip and spin it again. These style, like the Cat Gen 7s, there's no place to hook. So you have to keep constant pressure on it and try to rotate it with your fingers. Very complex to do. Not fun. It's got this thing called the power ring right there. That's supposed to not let the windlass bind up. So it's easier to apply pressure. Again, I'll roll in a picture of that. Reinforced webbing. Very easy to use. All right. Full hook and loop Velcro backing. You know what? I'm getting buried in the specs, and that's boring. We don't want to go through that. But there's also a QR code on here, so anybody, if they need to know how to do it, they can take a picture of this. It'll show them how to apply it properly. Very cool. It's also very similar to the Cat Gen 7. Now, when I say similar, I'm not saying like just as good as. I'm saying the muscle memory and the steps you go through to tighten this tourniquet is the exact same as this tourniquet. So if you've been trained on the Cat Gen 7, you can pick this up out of the package with no additional training and already know what to do. It works in the same exact way, functions the same exact. So anybody that's been trained on your Cat Gen 7s, bam, they can easily transition over to this, which is nice. There's other tourniquets like the rat tourniquet, stuff like that. Use a different manual of arms. Manual of arms may not be the right word, but that's what we use in the firearms community. Use a different manual of arms, so you have to know how to use that. This you already know. So you train with your tactical tourniquet, you go to those tactical classes, they teach you how to use the Cat Gen 7. You're also being trained on this one. They also offer a blue training model. Now blue training models, because I even sell those in the Cat Gen 7s, blue models, they're not at a lesser quality or anything like that. It's just to distinguish differently. So this is my EDC. I'm going to train with the blue one, so if any parts wear out and I keep using it and I start wearing it out, this one's still fresh and still brand new. That's why they have blue for training. Again, it doesn't mean it's less effective or anything like that. You could definitely throw a blue one on you and still do the same exact job, but it's just to separate it. So you're not using your primary carry one a bunch and that one's brand new and you can wear out your blue one without being in a life-threatening situation. Again, like I was saying, it's not a replacement for the Cat Gen 7. The Cat Gen 7, this goes on your tactical vest. These are made to be big because in combat, you don't care about CCW or anything like that. You want something big, so you're like, oh man, I just blew off my leg stepping on that toe popper. Reach it, grab it, it's easy, nice big controls, cinch it down on your leg, good to go. This goes inside your range bag. This goes inside your vehicle. Again, on your tac vest. This is your CCW. So when you can't carry your IFAC and you can't carry the Cat Gen 7, let's pretend you're going to the range and it's like 100 degrees out and you don't want to wear a full loadout. You just want to take your pistol there to go sight it or something like that. Or, I don't know, maybe you're just in shorts. You got your pistol on you, well, you throw this one in your pocket. Yeah, we'd all like to have the full IFAC with chest seals and blood clotting agent and your Cat Gen 7 and maybe some scalpels, a couple of flashlights, a glow stick. But you know what? That's just not practical. This fits for when that is not practical to have that. So always carry your IFAC, but when you can't, well, here's a backup. Kind of already went through that. Oh, and it matters if you got kids and pets. So yeah, by yourself, Cat Gen 7 is good to go. You're going somewhere with your kids, well, you should probably carry the snake staff instead. Again, it's like the difference between a screwdriver and a box end wrench. It doesn't replace the Cat Gen 7, it supplements it. It's a totally different job. Completely different. Anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Hope you found this video educational, and I hope this was educational enough to where you want to shop from me. And if you do, go to onlytacticalfans@shopify.com where I have both these tourniquets for sale. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.